Wow. His Excellency, the Majesty, PPP, Akwa on the signboard in the Anambra State in Anambra State in Ladies and gentlemen, we are here in the city and the palace and the kingdom of the highest doctor, Akwa Tiwara Okuko 1 of Igbo land, because everyone was called Okuka, you know, in the China. I want to walk on the China that day, original. I work at the franchise. Why may I do a fly all the way from Lagos, from United Arab Emirates, Attitude Unit Gold Class, to present the product to His Majesty, the Doctor Akwa 1 of Anambra State and Igbo land. Ladies and gentlemen, we have a lot of stuff for His Majesty Akwa, and here we have the cup. This is a product from the Attitude Unit Gold Class. You know, Emana, we told you one thing: we don't do for everybody. Our product is not for everybody. It must be VIP, and the royalties, celebrities that have money that can afford. Or what a product I here to because all the way from United Arab Emirates, I had a knock at you know, before you had our product, that means and the here men are doing that. Ogene, in fact, Ogene, you know, ladies and gentlemen, Iko, we're saying everyone for Akwa. A man Akwa different. Akwa way home ones, calculation. They are here, VIP, Oba, VIP, Akwa Tiwara, Akwa Okuko Tiwara Ake, Idra Ake Koya Bobo. I never born, I never been also. Cow eyeglass. I'm no do what I like, you may have the gentle, do what they mean, had the soft. Watch out, in fact, would you had a two corobia? No, I know you decide, and then we will give a laugh. One day, I know we don't know water. All my followers all over the world only hear water. Or one we hear water. You know, here. You know, the golden egg. Akwa nke up on the China and cow golden egg. Ehoria, Okudo Ganya. Akwa Tiwara Ake. From Attitude Unit Gold Class AU. Okay, medo. One here for them better. Work better complete. Work better complete. Akwa bani boku. Ogube going to become. Count the ornaments. Only of interest na make sure you don't do my style to anybody. I will sue you and say I will not do it, but there's a difference. Oye gure boy na here we Shina Peter. Or Shina Peter going out for juju. For juju difference is clear. Oh no dey who akwa Emmanuel onya akwa se bi kokudo man no ga wo ri akwa. More taking us this to get America. Ladies and gentlemen from AU, the same Attitude Unit Gold Class. Classic. You can never get anything more than this, and we make it understand to you that it's 100 years guarantee. 100 years guarantee. You can never be anything better than this anywhere in the world. Never when you're going to get more to you want to let go. To a god, I want to have money. Oh, to a god, oh, to a god. Before you will tell you before is when you got more of a man will get a big jam years ago. Before you need to be getting out of man will be married. Otu agodi. They were in that one. They were in there. I like it. Them on your name more, and them by now. Maneka, even today, we can't cover. Wow, from the Kune, one that's in the society. One that's in the court. So you see your court. But is it good?
No, I don't want to make any.
But is it good?
I like this thing, and I'm on every CP attacker. I'll give you 1 million.
Ogenedo, Akwa Yoba. Akwa Yoba is watching it the doc Akwa with 1 million. For thank you for coming. 1 million or 1 cedi, 1 million. All my followers and fans, 1 million for coming. For coming. Ladies and gentlemen, it can never be anything better. Let's love ourselves. But one thing I keep telling you is this: there's nothing can be better than loving your brother. I have a love at heart, despite all the internet and one time Mama was saying Akwa say Akwa jibe mecha Akwa come order one day madna. Akwa Tiwara ake wu nwa Chukwu. Akwa na agba Chukwu mgba. Chukwu okike abịa ma onne na bụrụ nne ya. Enweghị mgbe o ji sị na ihe Chukwu na-asụ ya nsọ na onye mmanụ nke Caesar. Ya were nke Caesar nye Caesar. O were nke Christ nye Christ. Onye achọ na ebi okwu. Let's live in peace. God bless you. Keep sharing my video. My name is His Royal Highness Igwe Gbaola. Ezendibo, one of United Arab Emirates. All the way from Dubai. Present all our gift and our product to His Excellency Akwa Tiwara, one of Igbo land. And one another one, one Akwa in China. And one Akwa also, a man in the China. And the man Akwa in China, they wish. Tiwara.
Well, come with a catch.
Oh, Kenedo. Oh, Kenedo.
Oh, dear man. We'll go back. I
Oh, Kenedo.
I had a
Nada. Biana the Ijele. Ijele was check and answer Gbaola Ocha. Gbaola Ocha. Bazu. What? Give you a Gbaola boy Christmas. What's the name? Uncle with the name. Akwa. Maybe I hear if you go to the line now, they go P. Not put it on so. That's why I'm wanting it. Go see it. Into the side there. Yeah. Ekwa line up. Line up. Okay, brother. Akwa Yoba. Akwa Yoba. Ijele.
Thanks for coming. Now, even now, be your brother's keeper. You open in them. We'll pass it now.
I
love you and I like you as well.
I love you too, my brother, man. I love you too, my brother. I appreciate you.
One love.
Yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, that's the game. Thank you for coming. And I know there. Thank you for coming. Thank you for coming. How about you get it on? White. So only a 3 or something, only a 3. So we'll 2. Then we'll 2. Ash color and the other one. And then this one Adag. Oba. Okay, Lord. Lord life. Right. Where? Oh, Queen, right? Okuko that is all Queen. All Queen. Akwa Yoba.
Nena,
ọma basa. Ọ na-awa enwe king enwe queen. They were in